Hi everyone, welcome back to Gito. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Google Pixel 4 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup cleaner opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle, the flash sensor plugs connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws to undo the battery plug. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Please note one screw is missing from our device. And then disconnect the plug to release the back cover from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, take out the speaker module by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the antenna head and move the cable aside. Next, take out the not working charging port flex by disconnecting the taptic engine and antenna plugs. Be gentle in this process and pry the cable to take out. Next, place a new charging port flex on the body and then secure the connector. Next, secure the taptic engine, antenna board plugs and antenna head to the port. Next, place a speaker by adding 3 screws. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and then place a bracket by adding 2 screws. Once again, our device has 1 screw, but your device should have 2. Next, secure the battery plug and then place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.